Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, we're gonna be talking about the Aurora. Well, I went to the Aurora Sky today, do a little filming, and I'm gonna make a video out of it. So it's gonna be called the Aurora Sky update for October 18th, 2018, a day after legalization. So yeah, but before we begin, like always, this is my stock market membership promotion. I added a new video today. There's a lot of pictures in here from the other dispensaries in Edmonton that I visited. I also included my thoughts on Aurora and like try to put as much useful information in here. This also talks about liquor stores in here too. So if you're interested, check it out. If you're not, I guess you don't want to, because most people are gonna be turned away from the $60 price tag. So I don't think anybody's gonna join because of that $60 price tag. Oh well, whatever. I think I've already grabbed as much members as I could. Okay, so I went to Denver today, and yeah, so I drove all the way down to Denver. This is a little small town I had 6,000 people. There's a very interesting story behind this Denver that is in my stock market membership video that I just released. So if you want to hear about it, guess you have to join my membership group. But it is a pretty interesting story, so that's all I have to say about that. But since I was very close to the Edmonton International Airport, I decided to film the Aurora Sky, and here's footage of it. This is for October 18th, 2018. So let's play the video. See, that's the building looks done. The construction on the road seems, well, it seems like it's more done. There's still construction workers on the site. The fence is still up. I can't wait until that fence is officially gone and all the construction workers gone. But yeah, I don't know, it looks nice. That's all I really have to say about that. Like, there's still more dirt here, so they still probably have to do construction for the I guess the roadway. I mean, I wonder what they're gonna do when it snows. Like, how are they gonna work on construction when there's a lot of snow in that area? So it still looks like there's a lot of work to be done for the interior, like the outside of the facility. At least this is just my opinion. Okay, here's my question to you guys. Maybe I'll leave a poll. Okay, this is my poll. If a stock market crash, you know what? No, the poll is too much work. Okay, let's just I guess if you guys are interested, just tell me. So if a stock market crash actually happened, right? And let's say Aurora went down to $8, or even look at it. Let's say Aurora went down to $7, possibly $6, $6 because the market crashed and Aurora stock went with it. And then Canopy, let's say Canopy stock also went with it and it went to $40. And let's say Apple stock went down all the way down to $150 because the stock market crashed. Which one would you buy? Would you buy Aurora? Would you buy Canopy? Or would you buy Apple? All really, really tough choices. Apple is the safest company of them all. They pay a dividend, and there's a possibility for you to, I don't know, make at least 50% of your money back if it goes back to $216. Aurora, Canopy and Aurora, do I really have to explain them? So I just wanted curious on you guys' thoughts between if a stock market crashed and Aurora went down to like $6, $7, Canopy went down to like $40, maybe below $40, and Apple went down to $150, maybe lower than $150. Which one would you pick? Would you pick Apple? Would you pick Canopy? Or you pick Aurora? I'm sure like institutional investors and people who understand, who like to play it safe in the stock market, like Warren Buffett, he'd probably throw a lot of money into Apple. But like, I think most people would pick Aurora or Canopy. That's in my opinion. Namaste. What the hell? Like, no news today and the stock ran up. I mean, everything was kind of down today and the stock had a nice almost 8% pop today. That's pretty crazy. I mean, it popped near the end. Maybe there's some kind of information leak, and it's gonna be announced tomorrow, and the stock is just taking off beforehand. Maybe. Who knows? This is very interesting. What's happening right now with Namaste. Wayland is sucking hind tit right now. Like, what the f, man? Like, they have a big. They have like 250,000 square feet of growing space. By spring, they should have like 1,000,000 square feet of growing space. And this stock sucks right now, so I don't know what's going on. I don't know, but seems like I honestly believe somebody will buy out Wayland some way. Wayland's just so it's just so like they have such good assets, and now they have good capital because they just raised another $50 million after raising like $30+ million. So they have good capital to keep continuing with their business, and they have warrants. So if they manage to get their stock price to a certain price and get those warrants executed, they will get even more money. So I mean, this company is very well capitalized. They have great asset. Sure, they don't have the greatest inventory level right now, but they do have really good assets. I think they're gonna benefit fully from legalization. Just my opinion, though. Tesla is just acting what the market is acting like. The market's kind of shitty today, so Tesla went down a little bit today. I'm hoping it gets back down to 250 so I can buy more, just because, you know. Same thing with AMD. AMD sucking today too because the stock market sucked today, but you know, it looks like after hours it seems to be recovering a little bit. I'm looking forward to next week. Next week's gonna be an interesting week. There's gonna Aurora is gonna be listed on the New York Stock Exchange. AMD is gonna get their earnings report on October 24th. So there's gonna be a lot of interesting catalysts for the company stocks that I hold, anyways. That's all. And then the last thing I want to talk about is Afria. Afria has applied to hit the New York Stock Exchange. Of course, I mean, they're not gonna be like, okay, Aurora and Canopy, we're gonna stay in the OTC. You guys can, you know, have the New York Stock Exchange. We'll just take the NASDAQ, and you guys will take the New York Stock Exchange. No, they want to be considered one of the top 3 players. That's why they're going on the New York Stock Exchange. They just applied. I don't know if they'll get accepted. I think they will. I think they checked off every single checkbox, and they will get accepted on the New York Stock Exchange. This is just my opinion. So I'm 99% sure they'll get on the New York Stock Exchange. And I kind of knew this was going to happen. I mean, it only makes sense for them to get on the New York Stock Exchange. It's so funny how, like, all these Canadian cannabis companies are getting on the NASDAQ and New York Stock Exchange, and all the US companies are not allowed. Makes no sense in my mind, but so, you know, sometimes politics and life don't make sense. So that's just my opinion. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this content. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this content. Oh my god, it's only 8 minutes and 55 seconds. Holy shit. Let's see what else I can talk about. Let's see if I can pull up Tilray. Wow, I can't believe that. Oh yeah, that's right. So this picture was taken at 5:30, and it was still packed. I mean, there's still lineups. It's crazy. It's just so crazy busy. And Alcana stock dropped today, which makes no sense. Like, CLIQ, it just dropped today. Makes no sense. I don't know. Whatever. I think no, know what? No, I've already put my thoughts on in my stock market membership group, so I'm just trying to kill time by mentioning mentioning this. I also actually entered Nova Cannabis today, and I took pictures of the dispensaries inside. Tomorrow I'm gonna be checking out Fire and Flower, so stay tuned for that. Well, I guess for my members anyways. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna ask them if I could take pictures inside the dispensary and maybe release it to you guys. So I have a bunch of pictures in my stock market membership for the dispensaries, so check out the video if you haven't. It's pretty interesting. Anyways, it should be 10 minutes now. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this content, please give me a thumbs up. If you dislike this content, please give me a thumbs down. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.